Hello Sonic lovers, welcome to the channel Gone. Today my topic is MCLAG feature in Sonic. So today I'll talk about MCLAG feature, its CLI and icpd Docker container. So actually why am I making this video? The reason is I have received comments on my YouTube channel and all are asking and saying the same thing, that icpd Docker container is not present in Sonic image. Actually, for MCLAG, icpd Docker container is very important. If this Docker container is not present, so MCLAG feature will not work. So now, first of all, first question is MCLAG feature present in Sonic? So the answer is yes, MCLAG feature is present in Sonic. But why icpd container is not present in Sonic? So the answer is, actually when we download an image from Azure pipelines of Sonic, icpd Docker container is not present by default. So here let me show you Azure pipeline. So if I download an image from here, I will so the image will be like this. icpd Docker container will not present. So what we have to do now to get this icpd Docker container? Actually, for this you have to locally build an image of Sonic in your setup. So here we can see, suppose if we want to build an Sonic image in our setup, we can follow this guide. Here on the GitHub, Sonic build image guide is present. If you have a laptop or a PC and these requirements are fulfilled, so you can locally build Sonic image in your setup. But for icpd Docker container, you have to make some changes. Actually, when you run make init command, then you have to follow one step, that you have to set include icpd equal to y. Actually by default it is set to n, which means no. So if you locally build an image, you have to make these changes. In Sonic there are many features or containers which are present, but during image building or if we download it from Azure pipelines, these are not enabled by default. So if you want to add a feature of icpd during local building of Sonic image, you have to enable this feature. So now for my followers, what I am doing, I have uploaded an image of Sonic in which icpd Docker container is present. Since building an image is a hectic task, here here is the drive where I have uploaded an image of SONiC in which icpd Docker container is present. So if you download the image of SONiC from here, you will get an image in which icpd Docker container is present. Actually, this image is made locally on the setup. So now here I have a switch which is and the image is latest. So I'm starting it. Okay, it is starting. In this image we will be able to see that icpd Docker container will not be present because I have downloaded this image from Azure build pipelines. Login admin, password is SONiC. Here I'll use command docker ps flag a. So actually, with the help of this command, all the containers will be listed. Here we can see we have container sync D, team D, WSS, event D, and so on. So now again I'll run this command. So here we can see icpd Docker container is not present. So now I'll use command sudo systemctl start icpd. Here we can see it is saying unit icpd.service not found. So in this image icpd Docker container is not present. So now what we have to do, we have to download an image of SONiC from here, and then I'll install it in the GNS3, and then we'll see what happened. So now from here download it. Yes, okay. So here we can see it is downloading. I'll go into home. Here I have a folder MCLAG image. So now here we can see image of MCLAG is present, or image of SONiC is present, in which MCLAG feature or icpd container is present. So now I'll go into GNS3. Here new template, import appliance file .a file. Here I'll go into MCLAG image, and then here I have an appliance file. So now next here I'll import that image. Here the image is present here. So now it is importing that image. Yes, so it will take some fraction of seconds. Yes, it is uploading. So now we will have to wait for some time until it is uploaded. Yes, okay, just wait some seconds. Okay, so now after this image, we will have a sonic image in which MCLAG feature can be used, or ICCPD Docker container will be enabled. So now just give me some time. After that I'll show you. So now yes, okay, some seconds, just wait for some seconds. Okay, so now next, yes, finish. So now the name would be SONiC MCLAG. So yes, so now I'll stop it. I'll use this image SONiC MCLAG. I'll start it. And the one thing that we have to note is that for this image the login is mdanish, DANISH mdanish, and the password is your password. So here password for SONiC OS, here password is your password. So now oops, so login is mdanish, password is your password. So now I'll change the password by using command sudo password mdanish, new password is SONiC, and then SONiC. So now here I'll show you Docker ps flag a. Here we can see in this image also ICCPD container is not present. So what we have to do, I'll use command sudo systemctl start ICCPD. So here it is saying unit service is masked. So first of all we will have to unmask it by using command sudo systemctl unmask ICCPD dot service. So here we can see it is unmasked. So now sudo systemctl start this container. So now Docker ps flag a. Here we can see ICCPD container is present. So from now onward we can use this feature, MCLAG feature, in SONiC. Actually why this feature is kept unmasked or it is not enabled in SONiC by default? Actually suppose if we don't want to use MCLAG feature, so it will take extra space, so it is not enabled by default. So if we want to use this feature, MCLAG feature, during building this image of the SONiC in our own setup, we will have to enable this container or enable this feature, ICCPD Docker container. So What I'll do, here we can see image is present here. So if anyone want to use this image, he or she can download through the link, and the link here, let me write, link will be present in the description. So if anyone wants to use this feature or image, or anyone wants to download this image, use the link present in the description, and then download this image and then use MCLAG feature in SOniC. Here one more thing that I have to show you. Here we can see SOniC CLI is present. So what we have to do, here we can see all the CLIs present of the features like VLAN, VXLAN, IPv6, loopback interfaces, VRF, and so on. But here we can see MCLAG CLI isn't present. So we can see here MCLAG CLI isn't present. So what we have to do now, here we can see there is an HLD of SOniC, HLD of MCLAG in SOniC. What we have to do, type MCLAG HLD in SOniC. So here click on it. Here we can see, cross it. Here we can see MCLAG HLD is present here. So what we can do, here we can see each and everything of MCLAG is present, like its architecture, how to start it, how to use it, the CLI, and all the things. Here we can see. So now here we can see actually in the config DB of SOniC, if we write this script, this is actually a JSON script. If you write this script in the SOniC image in the config DB, we can use this feature MCLAG. Here we can see CLI is also present. So here we can see CLI. Here we can see CLI is also present. CLI design is also present. So if there is a feature whose CLI is not present here in this list, SOniC CLI guide, so just write HLD of that feature in SOniC, like MCLAG HLD in SOniC. So here HLD of that feature will be open, and then start to read it from a start of the page. So here we can see everything is present since it is an HLD. Each and everything of MCLAG is present, that how to use it, what is icpd, how to use the CLI, its syntax, and so on. Here we can see. So thank you guys for watching my video. If you want further videos like this, do subscribe my channel.